Nearly every organization has assets and liabilities that require amortization. Prepaid expenses, intangibles, deferred revenue, just to name a few. If your accounting team is managing amortization processes manually, they don't have to be. You can automate those painful processes so you can spend your time on more meaningful work. Today, we'll highlight how you can automate your amortization processes. The amortization process category includes processes that recognize income or expense over a period that reflects the life or benefit. There are many examples of amortization across organizations, but according to our customers, prepaid expenses is the most common. So let's use that as our example and tackle prepaid insurance amortization. A typical manual prepaid amortization process is performed in spreadsheets. Prepaid details are listed on one axis and the periods of amortization on the other. Formulas and color coding are used to categorize assets by type or to group short-term and long-term assets. Each month, teams spend time pulling GL details with new prepaid expenses, understanding the related invoices or POs, identifying and entering amortization details, and copying and pasting formulas across columns, rows, and tabs. Dozens, even hundreds of journal entries are manually prepared and posted to record prepaid amortization expense. It doesn't have to be that way. BlackLine can automate your prepaid expense amortization process from end to end, and let me show you how. First, you'll bring the data into BlackLine. Inputs such as invoice and purchase order details are loaded into BlackLine, and this drives the entire process. BlackLine automatically calculates the amortization schedules. Expenses can also be automatically allocated to different GL accounts, cost centers, business units, or other user-driven criteria. With BlackLine's automated amortization schedules, we can also create and record your amortization journal entries. This automation not only saves time, it also eliminates the need to record reclassification entries between short-term and long-term. BlackLine ensures that both the balance sheet and P&L impacts of amortization are recorded properly each period. Once journal entries are recorded, corresponding prepaid account reconciliations are automatically completed, and BlackLine automatically generates that roll forward. A link to that roll forward is available on the face of the reconciliation. With the prepaid expense amortization process automated from end to end, you get to focus on the end game, providing valuable insights back to the business. In aggregate, manual amortization processes can take days of time and introduce significant risk. Users are often pressed for time to get everything done. With end-to-end BlackLine automation, you can save time, minimize risk, and shift your time to higher value activities. Now that you've seen the automation potential enabled by BlackLine, I want to challenge you to go beyond. Think about what processes you can automate. Maybe intangibles or marketing incentives are next. And reach out to us. With BlackLine, powerful technology is only part of the story. We're here to spark innovation, guide you, and help you fully optimize. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series to learn how you can transform even more manual processes.